Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the public hearing of City Council for Monday, July 27th, 2026. We are located at the Peace River Regional District Boardroom today. First order of business is called order. Notice of public hearing. Number 2, statement of public hearing. The public hearing is being conveyed in accordance with Section 465 of the Local Government Act to allow the public to present their views to the council regarding the following proposed official community plan and zoning amendment. Zoning Amendment 26-01 Bylaw number 4636-2026. Members of the public are encouraged to participate in this hearing and are asked to observe the following procedures. The purpose of this public hearing is to provide those who believe their interests may be affected by the proposed bylaw amendment with an opportunity to express their views to council. City staff will first, provide an overview of the proposed bylaw amendment and procedural steps completed to date. Following the staff presentation, members of the public will be invited to share their comments with council. Notice of the public hearing was mailed to neighboring property owners and occupants and published on the city's website. The notice provided information above the proposed bylaw amendment and invited members of the public to submit comments by email or letter or to attend this public hearing. Everyone present who believes their interest may be affected by the proposed bylaw amendment will be given a reasonable opportunity to be heard. A microphone is available at the delegation table. Members of the public wishing to speak are asked to come forward one at a time when invited. Each speaker will have up to 5 minutes to address council and should begin by clearly stating their name. Comments should be limited to matters relating to the proposed bylaw amendment. A public hearing is a formal process through which council receives information and considers the views of the public. Council members may ask to clarify speakers' comments, but will not debate the matter with speakers or among themselves during the public hearing. The purpose of the public hearing is for council to listen to those wishing to make representations regarding the proposed bylaw amendment. Please be advised that council must not receive any further information or submissions regarding the proposed bylaw amendment after the public hearing has concluded. Next, 3 is a zoning amendment. So 3.1, we have an update from staff or from the city team. 1, zoning amendment 26-01 for bylaw number 4636-2026. And then also the previously received report number 26133 from the city planner regarding zoning amendment 26-01 bylaw number 4636-2026 for information. So I can pass the mic over to both of you. You just got to push your mics on. Yeah, the floor is all yours. Good morning.
Good day, Mayor and Council and members of the public. The item before you is Zoning Amendment 26-01 4636-2026 as outlined in report number 26-133 from the city planner. The purpose of this application is to amend the zoning bylaw to permit a school, wood and metal shop as a site-specific use within the existing building located at 10101 17th Street. The property would retain its underlying C4 service commercial zoning and no changes to the building site layout or surrounding lands are proposed. The amendment is limited to allowing this education use within the existing building and does not authorize a broader rezoning of the property. Staff have reviewed the proposal and are of the opinion that the proposed use is appropriate for the existing building. A 14-day notification period to neighbors and affected agencies has been completed. With respect to the public input, no negative comments were received from neighbors or affected agencies during the referral period or in advance of the public hearing. Feedback received during the hearing will be considered prior to third reading. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, I just want to thank you both for being here to present, but also I know there was a lot of effort that went into this as well, so just thank you. 3.2, written comments. I don't believe there's any written comments. All right, so 3.3, I'll call 3 times for any public comments. So calling once for any public comments. Calling twice for any public comments. Calling 3 times for any public comments. Hearing none, I'll close this public hearing.